Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are well. So I am back with another tutorial, that is NFT Flix. What this tutorial does actually, in this tutorial you are going to learn how to create an NFT rental marketplace using Python API framework and Solidity. Here when you scroll down to the languages, you can see we are going to use 38% of the code with Python and 15% with Solidity. You can learn Solidity programming language in my channel. There are many tutorial I have already made with Python tutorial, such as building a web application, and 5.8% will be TypeScript code and 37% will be in Vue.js code. Don't worry, if you don't know how to use Vue.js, you can still use another framework and follow this tutorial. For example, you can stick with React or Angular, whatever framework you like, you can use that. The process is very much similar. You just need to understand that framework properly. Okay, so let's see what are the features of this NFT rental marketplace. The NFT Rental Marketplace is a decentralized platform that allows users to rent NFTs such as virtual real estate, gaming asset. A user is going to take rent and pay for that. The owner of the contract will withdraw the money. Okay, so once you scroll down below here, understanding the cycle of your smart contract, NFT Flex. Once you scroll down, you can see this life cycle of smart contract. There will be an account for owner. By using that account, we are going to deploy our contract, so that this account on will be the owner of NFT. So he is going to create rental. Okay, so he is going to create rental, and account 2, who is renter, is going to rent the NFT and end the rental. Okay, this is the process. This two operation, this renting NFT and ending rental, will be completed by this account 2, and with the first account he will create rental and withdraw earnings. Whatever money the owner will get can withdraw using this function. Okay, you can read this summary. So let's go to this website which I built. Let's take a look, overview of the website. Just let me reload this. Here you will pop up this. Don't worry, I'll show you how to use MetaMask properly. You just see what we are going to build. Okay, so let me put my password. Here I'm using account 7. Let's go with account 9. Reload the page. Okay, it is showing here are available rentals. Rental on ID. These are the IDs of rental. You can see there are no buttons for rent NFT. Because this is the owner, with this account we have deployed our contract. If we change the account to 7, let's reload this. Here you can see this. Okay, rent NFT for each item. So let's go with this rental ID on. I'm going to take rent for 1 minute, so put 1. It will ask for confirmation. Just confirm. It's saying rental started successfully, event confirmed. Now you can't see rent NFT button in this card because it is already rented. Let me reload it. Yeah, it is not showing. Let me go for another one, rent NFT. Let's go with 2 minutes. Confirm. Okay, confirmed. Once again reload the page. Now with our owner, that is account 9, we can see a button that is withdraw earning. Just wait a minute because rental will be ended in a minute. Now once you reload and connect wallet, you can see here we can see withdraw earnings, and rental on don't have that button because we have set 2 minutes for rental on and 1 minutes for rental 0. Okay, so let's click on this withdraw earning, confirm. It will be withdrawn the money, earning withdrawn successfully, event confirm. Okay, now let's fall back to the account 7. Once again reload the page. Here we can see a button end rental, and here we can see this button. We have worked with this button rental 2. Okay, so let's end the rental, confirm. Okay, rental ended successfully, event confirm. Okay, that is how it works. I hope you understand. If you still don't understand, then just try to follow this document, read it properly, you'll understand. For this project we are going to use API framework. This is the link. Don't worry, I'll include this link in the description of this video. And previously there are many tutorials with Brownie on the internet, but here is the warning: Brownie is no longer actively maintained. They are recommending us to use API framework. So let's click on this, go to the website of API framework, and here is the docs. In docs, API framework. Okay, this is the documents we are going to follow throughout this tutorial. And let me show you, it seems very small project, but it is not. Let me show you the code. Smart contract. In the smart contract we have our 3 contract. One is NFT Flex. This is almost 260 lines of code, and another contract that is simple NFT, which we are going to use to mint our NFTs. Okay, and this mock, by using this mock we are going to test our NFT minting contract, that is simple NFT. Okay, and here inside script, by using this deploy.py, we are going to deploy our project with API framework. It is almost 250 lines of code, and here we have test suits, which is very important. You must write it in order to make sure everything work as expected. So this is almost 600 lines of code, and another test suite is for simple NFT, which is almost 100 lines of code. And this is only smart contract part, and another part is front end, for which we are going to use Vue.js. This is actually easy if you know a little bit of web development, so you don't need to worry about it. If you want to use React.js, you are welcome, you can use it. This is home view, in where we are going to write almost 400 lines of code, and app.view, and we have a few components in here: create rental form, rental card, etc. Okay,